Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to the good channel Crochet lovers. So friends, I hope all of you may Almighty keep you happy, keep your homes in health, and may you continue to enjoy like the summer. So first today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet bra designs, blouses designs, crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people imit all the designs. You can get many videos from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful. So keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion videos, and if you want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today's video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion-related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Love you.